again, we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Silvercrest Espresso machine with a portafilter system. We can see included 2 filter inserts, 1 or 2 cups and coffee scoop with a tamper, and includes 1 bottle of Durgel Specialty descaler for optimal appliances care. I assuming this is for cleaning your espresso machine. We have 1200 watt to 15 bar and max is 1 liter, of course 3 years warranty from Lidl. And the logo Durgel Swiss Espresso. That's nice, let's open it to see what we have inside. And of course inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. But stay with me, we're going to find out all about that. Now let's see one by one what do we have here. The on-off switch, the temperature indicator, espresso button, steam button, green heating up control lamp. When it's ready it will be green. Red control lamp, that is the on-off. Here we've got a storage space, you can put your cups. And here we have the steam control. And here is the milk frother. You can control it from the steam control. Down here we have the hot water outlet. And of course here we've got the tank, the reservoir. You need to fill water. And inside we have this tube and filter, of course. Because it's pumping water, it needs clean water, not dirt. We have the drip grill. You can take it out. And we've got a drip tray. And to the accessories we have the sieve holder. You can take that out. And the sieve block, the large espresso sieve and the small. To install it is very easy. You can see here the cap. Turn it and it's been installed. We have the measuring spoon for your coffee and the compactor, just the coffee. And we've gotten the descaler. It's very useful. You can clean your espresso machine, hot water. It comes with salt into the internals. That is very thoughtful. They've got something like that to the box. Well, in the device we can see the Silvercrest logo, metallic finish, here glossy, chrome. From the back, not much to see. Some holes for the thickness. And now I think it's time to make some espresso and to see how tasty it will come out from this espresso machine. Now let's turn it on. We can see the red light. Let's put some water here. We can see we have the minimum and the maximum. Now for the first time it will be wisely to leave it about 30 to 40 seconds just to pump the water and come out hot water. You can see the temperature measurement, it goes to the icon that is in an espresso button. If I push the steam, it will start to go more and it will go to green, but we don't need now the steam. Now after we have cleaned all the accessories for the first time, now we have the coffee. We need a double espresso. Don't push it too much, gently. Inside we have an indicator that is a max. Same here. Just go just like that and then lock it into the middle and you're good to go. And push the button. Very rich foam, you can see. and I think we are okay. Of course, it is your choice if you want a light coffee or strong. Now let's take that out. You can see how rich is the foam. Let's taste it. Very nice. Let's try and the smaller one. You can see you need to clean it. Take out this. Not too much. And we are okay. And you can see the rich foam. Nice. And of course you can do 2 espresso from 1 extract. Just push that again. And again, we've got this rich foam espresso. You can see, great result. Now let's try the froth milk. Push this button, and we can see slowly it goes. Now I think we're okay. More than this icon for the espresso is okay for using the frother milk. The milk. And I think we are okay. Take a spoon. Of course, to do a froth milk, you need to have the right milk. For the milk that I have, this is what you can get. After you finish with the frother, you need to take that out and clean it. You can see, because it will dry and the milk will stick. Put this inside again, and we're okay. And you've got water inside, and then the steam is very hot, be careful. And now it's cleaned. Now let's turn it off. And that's how you can do a Freddo cappuccino, Freddo espresso, double espresso, single espresso, froth. I'm sure it will do a great job. Now, about cleaning. In a long period of time, you need to clean this device. Well, how to do that? You need to empty all this bottle into this container and fill it with water until max. Next, you need to put a glass over here and fill it 250 ml 2 times when you're pushing the button of the espresso. That's how all these cleaner with the water, it will go to the internals and it will clean it. Then you need to stop the espresso with this button again, leave it about 2 minutes, and again start the same process for 2 times again. You can see all about into the manual, of course. After you finish all the water from here, you need to fill the water again in max, and of course use all this water to clean the internals from the cleaner. And that was all about how to clean your espresso machine. Well guys, what do you think about? Do you have something like that to your place? You need to buy something like that? It costs about 70 euros. For me, I think it's a great espresso. I do have one other model from Silvercrest and it's doing a great job with no problem. Well guys, enjoy it. If you need something like that, just buy it. You will enjoy definitely this espresso machine. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like if you like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice lovely day. Bye bye.